Hi guys, time for another new arrival episode, and today we have another room I'm sitting in, trying out some other stuff, comfier chair and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go right in. First up is a compilation album but by Gnipahålan, Förhågna Hågkomster. Contains very good material. And some double black LP. If you haven't heard Gnipahålan before, check them out. By a very productive guy who has tons of projects and bands, so there's a lot of nice stuff to discover, and this is a compilation you really should check out if you want to start out with Gnipahålan. Some really great stuff there. Then we have another album by Gnipahålan, Vånnalösa, Urskepnader. Also a double LP. Got some nice artwork here as well. It's hard to see in this light. This also came on black vinyls. Then we have a non-metal vinyl I got for Christmas by my dear girlfriend, and it's Tubular by Oldfield. This hardly needs any introduction, because most of you guys have heard Tubular bells at one point or another. I think it's a fantastic track, and that he recorded this when he was only 17 and played all the instruments by himself is really amazing. Then I got another vinyl by my dear girlfriend in Christmas present, and this is well, it's not music, but it's two Swedish comics. Sadly, they're not alive anymore, but Varning för barn with Magnus and Brasse. So this is one of their shows, and it's a live recording. You Swedish folk know who these guys are, and yeah, I think they have a great sense of humor, or did. Kind of fun to have that on vinyl. And then we have the one playing in the background, and it's Primordial with the Heresy of an Age of Reason. And I managed to get a copy on tape. I have this on vinyl as well. This is one of those late 90s sounding black metal band from Sweden. Got some got a special sound from that era, and I love it. And this is one of my favorites from this era. It's a local band as well, so that has some part in it as well. And then I also got this from the same guy who was in Primordial, and now he plays in this one, and it's Niden Division 187. And this is a green printed cassette. The release Impergium towards Judgement. So if you haven't checked these guys out, and do that. Really great stuff. And then last but not least, got a signature on the case, and it's Wormwitch with the Septentrion Revival, a Canadian metal band. They've changed a lot through the years. This contains their demos and early recordings, so it's a re-release, you could say. Came on a transparent pro-printed tape with their logo. On this release, it's more crust, D-beat, hardcore stuff, and on their debut album there were more black metal, and on their latest album there were more melodic death metal with some black metal in it. So I guess they're trying out some stuff, but they've done some great stuff so far, so good to have that one in the collection as well. Yeah, and that's all for this episode. Kind of short today. I haven't really got some... I have some packages on the way, but yeah, see what's inside of them. I bought this as well. It's Dimmeborgir for Alltid. In my opinion, one of few albums with them worth checking out. I had this for a long time ago, but yeah, I bought it again, very cheap. So it isn't an album I want on vinyl, so then I got it on CD instead. So yeah, have a nice one.